And Swamiji, like any rishi, he was a rishi. So apart from explaining the things, he also had a lot of things to say which would help us in the journey of life. Here he talks about character and says that whatever you speak, whatever you do, whatever you think, it leaves an impression on the mind. And what you do more than once becomes a habit. And the habit, when it continues for a long time, it becomes your character. So what you do, you should be very careful about what you say, what you think. Because anything that you repeat a second time, know that is moving towards a habit. And from habit, it will become character. Over our births, we have allowed our mind, our body, and our personality to be in a particular state. Now, when you say that he's a criminal, he has a criminal bent of mind. I was recently thinking about someone, and Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi says, some monk told that Sri Ramakrishna used to say, be mad with love of God. So, Mother, please bless me so that I can go mad. And Holy Mother says, what are you talking? Don't even say like that. Don't even utter like that. A person who has committed sin in many births, he alone becomes mad. It's a very important statement. He who has committed many sins in previous births alone becomes mad. A depressive person, a person whose mind is always in a turmoil, it only means that he has been or she has been committing sin for a very long time. It has entered the character. And you will see that suddenly it struck me. I was thinking about somebody and I remembered. Let's see, actually, you will see people who have such depressive tendencies and psychotic tendencies. See that not only that they behave in a particular way because of that thing, they also have the streak of doing that, even otherwise. These are related. Now, once you realize that things are not well with you, once you realize that your character has problem. Now, character, normally we think, whenever we talk about character, we think about a person who is corrupt, a person who chases females. No, no. Character is about your overall personality. When you wish something evil for others, something bad for others, that's also part of your character. When there is inner violence, that's also character. Everything is character. If you try to think, what are the things that stand out about your personality, good or bad? That is your personality. And personality did not come in one day. You have been thinking, you have been speaking, and you have been doing those things. And that's how initially it became a habit, and then it became character. So Swamiji says, go on doing good. Go on thinking good. Go on speaking good. Read scriptures regularly. Listen to these talks regularly. Try to do as much spiritual practice as you can. That alone is the way. This is abhyas. Vairagya, move away from anything that is bad. Anything that you consider bad. Anything that you consider bad in others. You need to stay away from that.